Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to solve Rubik's Cube. So let's begin our video. 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, first we have to match these colors. Now when we match these colors, even here white should come. So let's see where is blue. Where is blue? So here it is. So when blue is here and white, we have to make a plus here, plus. So now let's rotate this. Now see, blue both are matching and white came here. It should be like this. Now let's take red. Now to take red, first we have to rotate like this. And let's see where is red. Here is red. So now we have to rotate like this. After rotating like this, we have to do like this and put it here and rotate it again backwards. So here it is matching, both are matching. Now again we have to take orange. Here is orange. So let's see where is orange. Okay, orange is here. So let's do it again. Now let's do it like this. I'm sorry. Okay, now we bought orange here. So let's rotate this like this. Now what we have to do means we have to rotate this like this. Like this, and we have to put this white here and again rotate this like this. Now both oranges are matching and even white are matching. So next color is, let's take green. Now we have to search where is white, and here we got it. So after making that white down, we have to rotate this like this, otherwise this will get spoiled. After rotating like this, then let's put this up and let's rotate it again till green come. Now green came, so let's rotate this here. Now all colors are matching. Let's see, green matching, orange matching, blue matching, and red matching. So guys, now plus sign is done. So next we have to match corners here and here. So let's see any corners. Like we got here one corner, white is down here. Okay, now here blue is there and here red is there. Let's see where is blue and red. Now this white should come here. So now blue and red is here. So we will rotate this up right side like this, and here we go. So guys, next step is, let's search for another white. Here we got it. Now let's see where is orange. Now orange is here. It should get matched with green. So now orange and green are settled. So now let's rotate this again like this till the white matches. Then we have to be rotating. Now it is matched. Now let's take another color. We have to see orange and blue. Orange and blue, yeah. Now it should get matched for this. Let's do from left side now. Like this, and here we go. So this is set. Now here one white is there. For this we have to take it up and do it like this, and again keep it down. Now we have to match this with green and red. So green and red is here. So let's move this up, again rotate it, again down, up, down. Now here we go, it's matching. Now here all is matching, you can see. So guys, as we can see here, white is done. So next let's move to another layer. So now we have to select these edges which don't have yellow on it. So in this case, now this is one. So let's see where is orange. Let's match it to orange. Now here orange is matching. So green is this side. So now again let's put this side only, and let's rotate it with left hand like this. Now again, after rotating with left hand like this, let's turn this like this, and here right side we have to rotate this like this, and we can see it's matching. Okay, then next we will take red. So let's see where is red. Here red is. So it has green on it. So green is here. In this case we have to turn this at left side and do it like this. Now after doing like this, let's go to this layer, this side like this. Here we go. Okay, let's check another color. Now this is done. So as we can see, we have another color here, orange. Let's search for orange. Let's match it. Now here we got orange. So blue is this side. So let's turn it left side and do like this. Like this. Now turn this like this, and now do with left hand like this, and here we go. So now all are matching. So now one is pending here, blue. So let's match it with blue. Where is it? Here we got it. So red is this side. So let's move this left side and do this like this, like this, like this, and like this. So now let's turn this like this, and let's rotate it again. And here we go. Now as we can see, all are matching here. We can see here red is matching, green is matching, this layer is finished, and blue is matching. Everything are matching. So now this layer is finished. Now we have to make an plus of yellow. So let's rotate this front side like this. Now we have to rotate like this right hand side. Now again rotate this back. Okay, now as we can see here, plus is done. It depends upon the Rubik's, the shuffle you have done. For me, it became so fast. So now plus sign came. So guys, next thing is to line up all this. We have to match these colors. Now blue is matching, but these colors are not matching. So now what we have to do is, we have to take this white up and do this, again put it down and do again like this, again put it up and rotate this 2 times. Now do it down. Now still it's not matching, so now again we will do that step if necessary. So now again we have to do this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and here we go. So as we can see here, all are matching to its colors. Yes. So guys, as you saw, now we have lined up all these edges. Now we have to match all these corners. So first let's take an matching corner, like let's take anything which is matching. If nothing is matching, then we have to do this one, left, up, right, up, left, up, down, and this side also down. Now as we can see here, this is matching, so now we will take this one. So guys, we will take this one. Now we have to do it left, again up, right, then move it like this. Now check it out whether all are matching. Okay, all are not matching. So now we will match this one second. Now all are matching. Let's check it out whether all are matching or no. No, not all. So let's do it again, like this, again like this. Then let's check it out again whether all are matching. Okay, now all are matching. So here we go, all are matching. So next step is we have to turn this downwards like this. Now we have to rotate this like this till this green get matched. No, still it's not getting matched. Now it got matched. So now let's turn this like this. You have to not jumble it like this. We have to turn it. Oh, this is matching. So let's turn again. So now we have to check off blue. Let's do it. So it's matching. Let's move it there. Then do like this. Again do it. So here we go. Now as you can see guys, all are matching like this. Solid. Now I hope you all learned how to solve Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching this video guys, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please subscribe to my channel guys. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get notification whenever I make a new video. And please comment in the comment box that if I want to improve anything, please suggest me in the comment box. And that's it for this video guys. Bye bye.